mall now. We're waiting for taxi. Anyway, and this is I'm waiting inside. That is the municipality there. Went there. LG Mall. So we'll go in now. Because they're on. There. It's okay. Huh? And apartment is to change my coins to bills. So yeah, we'll see. One here. We'll go to the shop. Really, yeah.
Women already has people. Women already has people. It's different.
And fresh meat. We're going now to the food court. Food. So yeah. Shakespeare and we're going to start. Very comfortable. Food court waiting for our food. So this is the food court. Up. Is the other side. He wants soup. Noodle soup. Order. And this one. So bon appetit. There's home center there. It's quite big now. Before it's just a small place.
It's big now.
Yeah, it's big. This is the back. It's quite big. It's just before, like 1/4 of this place. And there's the Nobe.